Today, we're going to talk about how to square up a table saw. I just moved this table saw on a 45, which means that the blade tilted. So when you straighten it back up, your stop may be a tiny bit off one way or the other. So you really need to check that. One way to do it is with a square. For example, put it against, make sure the teeth aren't hitting it, and raise your blade up, get it square with the blade. This is the way I do it. This has to be, your insert needs to be perfect though for it to do it. So you go to it, this, take just a smidge off. When that comes out of the saw like that, this come out here, this is my cut edge, this is my cut edge. So we're going to put on here. Oh, sorry, dropped my pencil. We're going to go cut edge, right? And that's the tops. So face them to each other. Like this. And you can see that there's a gap at the bottom. Not at the top. They're tight at the top. Okay, so that means that the blade is tilted this away a little, which means I need to tighten it up. My stop stops at a hair before it needs to. So just very so slightly, and then adjust. Place them to each other. And hopefully you can see that. No gap. Perfect. There you go. So I set up table saw perfectly.